Alright guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how to withdraw our money from Ourbit to any other exchange or even to our bank account. So I'm going to do this step by step for us so that you don't make any mistake. Remember in our previous video, I taught you how to deposit from any exchange to your Ourbit. So I used the example I used in that video was Bitunic. So the same way I did it with Bitunic, you can also do the same way like that if you're sending from Bybit, if you're sending from Gate or any other exchange that you want to send the money from. It's the same thing you do, just follow the same process you get and you'll get it done. So in this video, we want to now send the money out of here to a place where we can withdraw the money and send it to our bank account for us to be able to make use of the money, right? But I'm going to do this video in two different ways. The first one, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from here to another Ourbit account. For instance, let's say a friend of yours who is trading wants you to top up the account and give you the physical cash. It happens. You understand? Like for instance, I have someone right here who wants me to top up their Ourbit account. You can see this account right here is an Ourbit account. So the person said that I should top up this account with a $5 so that he can trade futures with it, right? So and the person sent me the value of $5 in naira. So and that account is an Ourbit account. So I want to show you how to fund or send money to Ourbit account without needing to use wallet address. After that, I'm going to also now show you how to withdraw from here and send to a different exchange where you will need your wallet address. I hope this is clear enough. Now before we go ahead to do this, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you are welcome to Blockchainplus, where I make crypto simple and profitable for everyone. So if you're interested in such videos like this, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you can watch the videos. All right, without further ado, so let's just dive into the video. Now I've been teaching on series of everything about Ourbit, so follow the series to understand everything you need to know about Ourbit. Any question you're asking at all about Ourbit Exchange, I have done videos and I'll continue to do different videos about them. After this, I'm going to do another video about other exchanges. Now the essence is so that you understand how all these exchanges works and how you can use them. So let's go ahead to withdraw the money. Now the first thing first, you need to come to this section that says wallet right there. So that's the first thing you need to do. So I'll click on wallet. Now once I click on wallet, now the next thing I want to do is to click on withdraw right here. Now because I want to withdraw the money from your account to another account, whether Ourbit account or external account that is not an Ourbit account, you need to click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, now it's showing me the assets that I have. You can see these are the assets that I have right here on my spot because I'm withdrawing from my spot. Now, let me go back. So before you withdraw, if you don't have any money in your spot, let me just show you right here. You can see right here, this is the amount I have in the futures, this is the amount I have on the spot. Now, if you don't have any money on your spot, now you can easily transfer money from your futures account to your spot. I've done a video of how to transfer. Make sure you watch that video on how to transfer and do all of that. So let's go back to withdraw right here. Now once we are on withdraw, we click on USDT. That is what I want to send out. You understand? If you want to send any other coin, you choose that coin. It's the same process. Whatever I'm doing right here with USDT is the same thing you do with any other crypto. They are all cryptocurrencies, right? So now the next thing you want to do is to pick what method are you using. Select the method. So this is for on-chain and this is for Ourbit transfer. Now the Ourbit transfer is if you want to transfer to another Ourbit account. Now the on-chain is if you want to transfer external to outside account that is not an Ourbit account. So I want to first of all do Ourbit account, send to someone on Ourbit. So I'll use that one. Now once I click that, see what I'm having right here: email, mobile number and UID. Now you can tell the person to send you their registered email address. That's the email address they use in signing up on Ourbit, or the mobile account, the mobile phone number that they use to bind their Ourbit account, or the user ID. I usually prefer user ID because sometimes the person can send you the wrong email, right? But for user ID, it's easy because the person is going to see the user ID on their dashboard. So let me show you how to get your user ID first. So you come to home. This is home. You click on home, then you click on your profile right here. You can see your profile right here. So you click on the profile, then you can see your user ID, this number right here. You can see that number. That is my user ID. You can see the copy sign right there. So you copy it and send to the person, and then the person is going to fund you. So let's go back to withdraw, and then we click on USDT, Ourbit, and then we click on UID. So that is the UID. Now this person has sent me their UID. So I'm going to just copy the UID right here. You can see the UID. That is the UID that the person sent. So let me just copy it. Phone number copied or whatever. Now if you check, the person also sent me the screenshot. This is the UID there, so that I will verify and confirm. 166963154, right? So let's see, 166963154. So it's correct. Now the next thing I want to do is to paste it right here. So I'm just going to paste the UID right there. Now, in most exchanges, if you are sending internally from Bybit to Bybit, from Ourbit to Ourbit, from business to business, from any exchange internally, you are going to be charged zero fee. They don't charge you for that. You understand? And this one does not require you to choose network, because it is their platform. So they'll just credit the other one. Now I'll put the value. The person wants $5. So I'm going to send $5 to the person. Now this remark is optional. So you can put a remark. You can leave it blank. Let me just say USDT sent. So you can put anything right here. It is optional. You can decide to leave it blank. Now you can see 5 USDT right here, which is the amount I'm sending. Then the next thing you can click on is submit. Okay, so it's saying recipient doesn't exist. So let me see. So 166963154. So it's saying recipient doesn't exist. Let me copy that again. Let me paste it again. Okay, so it's saying the recipient doesn't exist. So, but this is how you actually send to the person. Now, I don't know why it keeps saying recipient doesn't exist, because this is exactly what you do. To say, once you click on submit, you're going to send it to the person. Now, I'm going to stop this video right here, because I know that you've already gotten the process of how to do it for yourself, so that I can rectify whatever issue it is with the person. And then I will do the next video, which is sending using wallet address to either same Ourbit or to another account. All right, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, please drop the comment in the comment sections telling me that you enjoyed the video. But if you have any question about it, also use the comment section to ask your questions, and I will answer your questions for you. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.